Hello my dear children, I am going to teach you about the chapter 2 acids, bases and salts. In this chapter I have already discussed about the acids, bases and salts. Now in this revision course I am going to teach you about acid and base. What are acid and what are bases? You have already learned about this. What are acids, what are bases? Now only I revise this course for your recall. First of all, what are acids? Acids are those substances which gives hydrogen ions, or you can say hydronium ions in water, are called acids. Means, for example, HCl, this one is hydrochloric acid because it gives H plus and Cl minus ions. HCl is acid. How can you say that HCl is acid? HCl is acid because it gives H plus ions. This equation can also be written as HCl plus H2O. When HCl is dissolved in water, it gives H3O plus and Cl minus. What is this H3O plus? This one is hydronium ion. H3O plus is hydronium ion. Means those compounds which gives H plus ions, or you can say H3O plus ions, hydronium ion in water, are called acids. Means HCl is acid because it gives hydrogen ion, or you can say hydronium ion. Now come to what are bases. What is base? Base is those compound which gives OH minus ion. Those compounds which give OH minus ions in water are called bases. NaOH is base because it gives OH minus. Then how acids are classified? Acids can be classified in many ways. You can divide acids into two groups: strong acids and weak acids. Strong acids are those acids which are completely ionized in water, which show 100% ionization, are called strong acids, and the acids which show partial ionization are weak acids. Strong acids are HCl, H2SO4 and HNO3. These three are strong acids. This one is hydrochloric acid, this one is sulfuric acid, this one is nitric acid. Only these three are commonly used strong acids. And most of the acids are weak acids, like HCOOH. This one is formic acid. This is a type of weak acid. CS3COOH. This is also a type of weak acid. This one is formic acid. This is acetic acid, and so on. Most of the acids are weak acids. Only a few are strong acids. Acids now can also be divided in two categories: mineral acids and organic acids. Those acids which are obtained from rocks. Those acids which are obtained from rocks are called mineral acids, and the acids which are obtained from natural sources, means you can say plants or animals, are called organic acids. Most of the mineral acids are strong acids, and most of the, or you can say all of the organic acids are weak acids. Mineral acids are obtained from rocks. They are not found in nature. And organic acids are obtained from natural sources, means you can obtain it from plants or animals. Mineral acids are obtained from rocks like HCl, H2SO4, HNO3, H3PO4. This one is phosphoric acid. They all are mineral acids. And organic acids obtained from plants like citric acid present in lemon, tartaric acid present in tamarind, etc. These are organic acids. Means acids can be classified into groups: strong acids, weak acids, or acids can also be classified into groups: mineral acids and organic acids. Now acids can also be classified in one another way, like concentrated and dilute acids. Concentrated and dilute acids. Those acids which have lower concentration of water and higher concentration of acid, means acid is in greater amount and water is in less amount, then the acid is called concentrated acid. And opposite to that, this one is dilute acid, means that acid which has higher concentration of water and very less concentration of lower concentration of acid, that is called dilute acid. Concentrated and dilute acids. You can also classify acids as concentrated acid and dilute acid. Means like concentrated H2SO4 sulfuric acid and dilute sulfuric acid both have same chemical formula H2SO4. But what is difference between them? In concentrated sulfuric acid, the acid is in greater amount and water is in lesser amount. But in dilute H2SO4, dilute sulfuric acid, water is in greater amount and acid is in smaller amount or lower amount. This is difference between concentrate and dilute sulfuric acid. Okay. And now in my next lecture, I am continuing about the dilution of acids and various types of bases and salts. Okay, thank you.